Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. This time we are going to unbox these 4 really cool old Hot Wheels models from the early 2000s. Okay, from left to right, here we go. First in yellow, we got MSD Suzuka from Tuners series. This car appears in so many Hot Wheels video games such as Hot Wheels Velocity X, Hot Wheels World Race the video game, Hot Wheels Stunt Track Challenge, and Hot Wheels Beat That. Next up in Metal Flake Dark Red, we got a 2002 Hot Wheels mainline Olds 442. Next up in metallic blue, we got a 2004 first edition Torque Screw. Last but not least, we got a 2001 edition Dodge Power Wagon.